Hi students, and today we are going to discuss nomenclature of amines, very important. And before going into that, you have to remember three letters: P, R, S. If you remember these three letters, nomenclature is very easy. Nomenclature is very easy. Always remember these three letters. Whatever it may be, you can go for nomenclature easily. P or S. Pre means prefix, means substitution. R means root word, means parent chain, number of carbon atoms. S means suffix, functional group, that is aldehyde, ketone, amine, carboxylic acid, double bond, triple bond. So always you have to start with prefix, next followed by root word, next suffix. So always this order only you have to follow. So PRS, first prefix, next root word, next suffix. If you know this, 80% you can get the answer. First I am starting. CH3 bond CH2 bond NH2 NH2, and this is given. Now we have to write the name of this chain. Go for carbons 1, 2. 2 carbons is there. We are writing ethane because single bond. Single bond ethane. And first carbon bonded nitrogen, that is amine group. That's why ethane plus amine, that is ethanamine. Clear? Ethanamine. That is the chain name. Next you go for another one. CH3 bond CH2 bond CH2 bond NH2. Always you have to give least possible number for functional group bonded carbon. Functional group bonded carbon, this is. Always we have to give least number. 3 carbons. 3 carbons means prop. All single bond propane. E we should not write. And first carbon bonded with amine. And one no need to write, propanamine. What we are calling propanamine. Next go for another one. CH3 bond CH bond CH3, and here NH2 group is attached. And then you go for now numbering. Functional group attached carbon should be get least number 1 to 1 2. So no problem. Both side you are getting same number only. And go for the name now. First P, prefix. Here prefix not there. Substitution not there. Chloro, bromo, nitro, like that. Next root word 1 2 3. Prop. All single bonds propane. And next substitution, we have suffix. Suffix means functional group. So at which carbon functional group attached, that number we have to write. Propane to amine. Propane to amine. And go for another. We'll discuss. CH3 bond N bond CH2 bond CH3 CH3, and this is the given chain. Now we have to write the name. Now look here. Previously all carbons are in same directly attached. Here all carbons not directly attached. These 2 carbons bonded with this nitrogen, this 1 carbon bonded with this nitrogen. Now we should not write 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Why? Because in between functional group is there. That's why this is one chain, this is one chain. So functional group bonded carbon we have to give always least priority. Then this is one. This side we have 2 carbons and this side we have 1 carbon. So which side we have more carbon, that is parental chain, means this part is root word, and remaining less carbon, that is we are calling prefix. What we are calling prefix. This part is there now, this is functional group, that is we are calling as suffix. Clear? More number carbon root word, less number carbon prefix, means substitution. Functional group is suffix. Now you write the name. PRS system. P means prefix. Which is prefix? Methyl group. This methyl group bonded with N. That's why N-methyl. What we are calling? N-methyl. So methyl group bonded to nitrogen. N-methyl. Prefix completed. Root word. Which is root word? This is. So how many carbons? 2 carbons. So ethane. Clear? Methylamine, ethane. Clear? Methylamine, ethane. Sorry, N-methyl, ethane. So N-methyl is, we have prefix, ethane, root word, next suffix. Suffix what? Amine. So N-methyl, ethane, amine or ethanamine. N-methyl, ethane, amine. Next, go for another one. Here I am giving CH3 bond N bond CH3 bond CH3. See here now, this side 1 carbon, here also 1 carbon, here also 1 carbon. Now 1 carbon you have to take as prefix, remaining the 2 carbon, sorry, 1 carbon you have to take as root word, remaining 2 carbons you have to take prefix. One only you have to take root word, remaining you have to take as the prefix. And this is functional group. Functional group. Go for now. First prefix. 2 prefixes we have. That's why N comma N means this bonded with N. Dimethyl. How many methyl groups are there? 2 methyl groups. N comma N dimethyl. So prefix completed. Root word. Root word what? 1 carbon. 1 carbon means methane. 1 carbon means meth. All single bond in methane. And this is we have now amine. Methanamine. What we are calling? Methanamine. Clear? So 1, 2, 3 carbons we have. All are single carbon only. That's why 1 carbon you have to take as parent chain. Remaining 2 carbons you have to take prefix. So first prefix. 2 prefixes we have. That's why N comma N. Dimethyl. And root word methane and amine. N comma N dimethyl methanamine. Go for another one. Here C2H5 bond N, C2H5 bond CH2 taken 3 times CH3, and this is given now. Look here. This side how many carbons total? 3, 1, 4. That's why 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to split this. 4 carbons. Here C2 means here 2 carbons. Here 2 carbons. So the number of carbons, more carbons, this is more carbons. This is now root word. This is prefix. This is prefix. Which side more carbon atoms are there? That is parental chain. Remaining substitution. And this is we have here now functional group. Means we are calling as suffix. Start with PRS system. What is P here? Ethyl group, ethyl group. So N comma N diethyl, 2 ethyl groups. And here how many carbons total? 4 carbons. But all single bond butane, and this is amine, butanamine. Am I right? What we are calling butanamine. N, N diethyl butanamine. Go for another example. NH2 bond CH2 bond CH double bond CH2. Go for this. Look here. Here functional group is there. Here also functional group is there. Double bond and functional group. Whenever double bond, triple bond, functional group is there, we have to give priority for main functional group. Main functional group. That's why 1, 2, 3. Go for now. This is now root word, and this is we have functional group. This is also functional group. So first I am writing prefix. What is the prefix here? No prefix. Directly we have to start root word. Root word, how many carbons? 3 carbons. So prop. Next, double bond is there. Double bond at which position is there? Second position. Prop, 2, in, and next amine. Amine at which position is there? First position. 1 amine. Prop, 2 in, 1 amine. Just go for another example. Here, this time I am taking aromatic compound. Benzene with NH2 group. Generally, this is we are calling aniline. Common name, IUPAC name, both are same. Or you can write, this is benzene, this is amine. Benzenamine. What we can call benzenamine. So aniline also you can say common name and IUPAC name both are same. And you go for now another aromatic ring. And this is benzene ring. And this is attached with NH2 group. This is aniline. And here somewhere attached one bromine substituted. Now you go for functional group carbon, we have to give first priority. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go for now. First prefix means bromine. 4 bromo, 4 bromo. Next benzenamine. 4 bromo, benzene, benzenamine. Clear? 4 bromo, benzenamine. Next go for another one. This time I am taking another benzene ring which is substituted CH3, CH3. Clear? So here now one carbon and here also one carbon. So this is phenyl ring. Then we have to go for N, N dimethyl, N, N dimethyl. This is benzenamine. This is benzenamine. Am I right? Like this. First you have to follow for prefix. Next you have to go for root word. Next you have to go for suffix. Always you have to follow this order. Prefix not there, start root word. Then suffix. Suffix not there, prefix compulsory. Like this. PRS system. And this is IUPAC nomenclature of amines. Clear? See here. This like this whenever given, you have to split three groups, CH2 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is bu. 4 carbons are there. Here 2 carbons are there. Here 2 carbons. Which side more carbons are there? That is root word. Remaining all are prefix. 2 prefix are there. That you have to repeat. 2 is there di. 3 is there tri, like that. These 2 are bonded with nitrogen. That's why N, N diethyl. And 4 carbons butane, 1 amine. Look here, type of amines also we can go for that. This is 1 degree amine. NH2 group is there, 1 degree amine. NH2, NH group is there. NH group is there, 2 degree. Only N is there like this. This is 3 degree amine. This is 3 degree amine. NH2 is there, primary amine. NH is there, secondary amine. Only N is there, tertiary amine. This is also you can remember. What type of amine also they will ask. Clear? So if you like this concept, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends, and be safe at home. Thank you.